we saw a great cormorant doing something extraordinary. It was flapping its wings while swimming in the water. Hence, it was preventing its wings from getting wet, at the same time spreading them out. I had never seen such cormorant behavior. It's quite interesting. And then we saw swim two cormorants swimming across the lake. I loved it. We kept on noting everything, and then the first visitor on the tree was a spot-billed pelican. Ma- this is why bird photographers come to Madiwala to see pelicans. This cormorant was just flying around happily. This is a baby cormorant which is flying around. It's because it's not as big as a great cormorant should be. We saw a Brahmini kite just fly along on the lake. And then we saw another sandpiper just sitting there and admiring the water. Yes, and then over here there were two sandpipers. One was foraging through the water hyacinth, and the other was just staring at the water. I don't know why they like to stare at the water. This wow, there was a cormorant there. This little egret, it was moving out from the island and going to its other friends. And where were the other friends? Right here. These two were just there individually. But then, if you go a little further, you can see that there is an entire gang of egrets here. This group has just settled here, and they came from the island where the pelican was there. If we see the whole picture, then there are at least 24 egrets in this. We had a good outing at the Madiwala lake. I liked it. Well, so 44 specimens at Madiwala in the 5 species that we saw, and now we are heading to our next lake, the Kaikondrahalli Lake, to finish off of the annual bird count today. But it's been so fun. Well, now we are on our way to the Kaikondrahalli Lake. Let's hope we get to see some good birds. So here we are at the Kaikondrahalli Lake, and now we are all ready to see some birds. And then we saw hundreds of birds returned back home, and this is where they'll seek refuge for the night. This island is full of cattle egrets, and you can see the reflection very well in the water. Apart from that, there was also one grey heron which was just happily sitting, and one egret which flew just now. And then in that there were also cormorants. The black birds you can see were cormorants. It was amazing to see. And then we saw some ducks as well. This one was just going across the lake. And we also saw a red wattled lapwing just settled there on a rock. It was enjoying the evening sunset. As all the birds here seek refuge for the night and go out to feed somewhere in the day. It was lovely to see this. And before we ended our bird count, we saw one myna and a few kites in this picture. And they also had seek refuge in this, and now they will all go to sleep in the night and happily enjoy the next day right on this tree. I loved the bird count, but unfortunately it had minutes to get over. So I hope you like this adventure. And if you did, then please press the like button. We had a good outing at Kaikondrahali to close off the count. Our total of 34 species and 320 specimens was amazing. Well, hope you enjoyed this adventure of the annual bird count of Bangalore. It was really fun. Lots of specimens, lots of species. We'll see you on the next one. For now, it's bye.